What is up, guys? I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get the Command and Conquer Generals and General 0 Hour to work on Windows 10. I'll start off by showing you that this is a Windows 10 PC or operating system. I just built it yesterday. It's not a gaming computer, I know. It's just something that I use for browsing the internet and stuff like that, so it's not high spec. But this is a 64-bit operating system, as you can see here. This is Windows 10 Pro. It was installed 1/10/2019. It is now 1/11/2019, and so we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm gonna make this video quick and short, so you guys can get to gaming. Start off by going online, Google searching the Command and Conquer options file. When you find it, you should find something that looks like this. If you can't find it or you have no internet access, go ahead and just pause the video and copy these values down into a notepad. The only thing that I would suggest changing would be the resolution if you're not running 1920 by 1080. If you are, then copy it exactly as you see it. Once you copy this down and you have everything you see here exactly how you see it, click File. You're going to want to save as. You're going to save it as options.ini. You can save it in your documents, but you want to make sure you save it as all files. Click Save. So then you go in your documents. Here it is. It's not going to save as options.ini. It's going to just save as options. But you can see here as a type, it is a configuration setting. I don't need it because I already have it, so I'm going to go ahead and delete mine. When you boot the game is going to go ahead and create this folder right here. And for this purpose of the video, we're just going to use the Command and Conquer General 0 Hour data folder. It works the same thing and the same steps to get generals to work. So once you save your options file, I have a copy of it right here. You're going to want to go in this folder and you want to save it there. There's my settings. If you click options, that's what pops up. The values have changed only because I have ran it already, and that's the current settings I'm running in game. Once you save that options file in the folder that you wish to play, you're going to want to right click the folder, click properties. You're going to want to go to the security tab, and then you're going to want to make sure all these users here have full control over these settings here. If they don't, say administrators doesn't, and it's not, some of these arrows aren't checked, you can click edit. Once you edit, you can click full control and it'll give you full access, and then you're going to hit apply and save and then hit OK. Special permissions will not click no matter what you do, so just make sure all these have full access, and that's it. That's it for this part. Now, wherever you installed the game, mine installed under the hard drive that I have, under program files 86, under EA games. I installed from the CD, so I have the first decade folder that the CD made with all the games in it. But wherever your 0 Hour folder is located, you're going to want to go to it. You're going to want to find the exe or application file here. If you have an older system, it might say generals.exe. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter as long as you find the application or the exe. You're going to right click that. You're going to go to properties. Now under the compatibility tab, you're going to click the compatibility tab, and then this is grayed out on my screen. On your screen it probably won't be. You'll probably be able to check this box and some of these boxes, but you're going to want to go to this button here, change settings for all users. Click that. You're going to want to check this box, and then you're going to want to drop this menu down, and you're going to want to click Windows 8. I know a lot of videos and a lot of other users say Windows XP SP3 is going to work. To my knowledge, I don't know. You can go ahead and try and see if any of these work for you, but I know as far as Windows 10 is concerned, Windows 8 works just fine. And then after you have this checked and Windows 8 selected, click Run this program as an administrator box, hit apply, hit OK, and then you are done. And that is it. You can launch the game from this exe here, or if you have a shortcut on your desktop, this shortcut here is just made from the actual CD setup. They made the setup for the whole collection of games. And that's it. You guys are ready to roll. I'm just going to make this short. I'm not going to try to take up too much of your time. For those of you that want to get into your game, you can apply these settings, do exactly as I do, and you should be good to go. So then from there, just click the General 0 hour. I can't boot it right now because I don't have the CD, and I'm not going to put it in right now either. It's somewhere in the other room. So for those reasons, I won't launch the game, although it has been launched already. This is working as of 1/11/2019. So, and I'm pretty sure this is probably the newest up-to-date video on this configuration setting for General 0 hour. So yeah, hope this video works for you guys. Hope the settings work for you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I can probably respond to them in a timely manner to get any of your situations resolved. Cool. Hope everything works for you guys, and take it easy.